Hey all, welcome to UnleashDance. Today's topic is spins. We will be looking at 3 spins today, one on our feet, one on our shin, and one on our bum. Right? You're wondering if the socks are going to help. We're going to help only the first spin. Alright? So let's get on with it. The first spin, as I mentioned, is on our feet. So what I want you to think about is 3 very important things: that your spine is more or less straight, it's not forward or back, arched or hunched. Alright, you want to make sure it's relaxed but it's also straight. The second thing you want to remember is the placement of your head. You can't move your head like that while spinning because your head is the heaviest part of your body. So anywhere you tilt the head, your spin is going to favor that side. So the landing of the spin is very important, and you can get a smooth landing by keeping these things in mind. Right? So let's get on with it. Let's just do a normal spin over our right shoulder. Spin. Over the left shoulder, spin. Alright? Now, let's add a little variation to this. So, this is the first thing that we're going to try. I want to think of kicking the leg. Yeah? So, my right leg is going in front and kick. Yeah? Make sure it's a kick and it's not just like a move that you're doing. Right? Now, with the kick, you time the spin. So, making sure that you kick, and as you're approaching the end of the kick, you initiate the spin. Alright? This looks really dramatic. You can keep your head facing forward or facing up as well. Alright? You can try the spin in different ways as well. You can go from the front as well. You can try the other leg as well. Yeah? Many different ways to do the spin. Making sure that you are kicking with the spin. Alright? Now, the second spin. The second spin happens a little lower. So, we're going to be in the second position plie, deep plie. You're going to spiral in. As you're spiraling in, the left leg will spiral in and placing the metatarsals and the shin. Not the toes and the knees, but the metatarsals and the shin. And also making sure that you're not placing the leg like this, but like this. So if I have to show you from a side angle, it's not this, but this. Yeah? I'm almost facing the back. Right? So I'm almost facing the back. Now, from here, once you do this leg swings, the arm swings with the leg, and your head stays frontal like this. Right? Making sure that you're timing the hand and the leg. This. And keeping your head frontal. Yeah, so it should do something like this in a flow. Cool. So, that is basically the second spin on our shin. Make sure that you do it on the shin. Cool. Now, let's look at the third spin. The third spin is at the lowest level. So, I want you to begin keeping your leg extended in an L sit like this. I'm using your right arm, so I'm going to place my right arm. I'm going to pull myself in. Pull myself in. Making sure the legs are straight and off the floor. The only points of contact that you have are your palms and your hip. Alright? And back. So, now we'll sort of do it on both sides. We'll go right and left. As you notice, I'm not bending my leg at any point. Make sure it's extended and lifted. Alright? And don't drop your chest as well. Keep it lifted. Yeah, you want to be in this board sort of position. Now, you do 3 of these: right, left, right. On the return to the third extension, you're going to bend your knees and spin like this. So 1, 2, 3, and spin. Yeah? So, it's very important that the back is straight, your knees are not all the way in. And one very important thing is, you have to make sure your legs are extended at first. They're extended, and then you quickly bring the knees in. Yeah? I'm going to do it frontal so you can see it a little more clearly. Yeah? So the speed is very crucial in this, the speed of the legs coming in. Don't do it with bent legs, as in not like that. You won't be able to generate any swing. In fact, there won't be a swing. So you have to make sure you go from extended legs to bent legs. Yeah? So those are the 3 different spins. Be sure to try all of them individually and practice them enough so you know all 3 of them separately. Then maybe you can find a connection with all these spins. Alright? Keep practicing. All the best.